Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deacon, aka D Coco, aka Queen of DIYs. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. I really appreciate that. Please make sure that you're subscribed. If you're not, click on the notification bell to make sure that you're notified every single time that I post a video. That means you get to be the VVIP that gets to see my video first. So definitely click that notification bell. And please thumbs up this video, share it with your friends and family. Drop a comment down below to let me know how you see this method. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new method on how to make carrot oil. So this is the best method I have found so far. I've already done this on this channel, how to make carrot oil on this channel. So this is like an updated method for you guys as we learn every day. So carrot oil is becoming increasingly popular on YouTube here, but I have done my research and I have found that this is the best method for me so far. And trust me, I have tried a few. So yeah, without further ado, let us get into how to make this carrot oil. But before then, please stop to check that you've liked this video. It's really important, and let's jump right into it. So first, we're going to get our ingredient ready, and here I'm just using two large size carrots. I'm going to wash that up thoroughly. And then I'll peel that up with a potato peeler. Rinsing again. So now with a grater, I'm just going to go ahead and grate my carrots. So I was having issues with the other grater, so I had to use a more sturdy grater. So now that I have my carrot shreds, I'm going to put some of it on the oven pan. So here I just laid a baking paper on my oven pan, and I'm just spreading that across the pan. So after drying it up overnight in the oven, this is what we get. These are the carrot crumbs. So this is part of our ingredients, and I'm just taking out the little I need to use. So this is about enough for what I'm about to do. So next, in a pan, I am going to put the fresh carrot shreds into a pan. So this way I'm working with both the carrot crumbs and carrot shreds, and as time goes on you would understand what I am trying to do. So I'm just putting that in a pan, and then I'm going to add my oil, and you can use any oil of choice. So this is sunflower oil, which is my preference. You can use sweet almond oil, you can use olive oil, whichever oil works for you and the one that you personally like. So with a spatula, I'm spreading my carrot shreds across the pan. And please guys, forgive my pan, this is my miscellaneous pan. It's like an old pan that I use for my DIYs. So now on low heat, I am just going to cook my carrot shreds in the oil, and after a while you notice that the shreds reduce and it looks really small. You know, we had a full pot before now, but now look what it looks like. So after a while, when your carrot cooks properly, and please keep it on low heat because you don't want to burn off everything. So now this is what it looks like. Our oil is already taking on the color of natural carrots. So now with a sieve, I'm just going to sieve that out. So I'm just pressing it to make sure that I get all the oil out. So now that we have our oil, I'm going to now turn the oil into a mason jar. And then our carrot crumbs comes into play. I'm just going to turn our crumbs into the mason jar. And then pour in our carrot oil into the mason jar. Now we are doing this because we need a very potent oil, so we are infusing it even more with the carrot crumbs. So I added a little bit of oil because I figured that the oil might not be enough. So I'm just shaking that up properly to get a good amount of oils on the crumbs, if that makes sense. So at interval, I pick it up and shake thoroughly. So after 3 days, you can keep it for longer or even a week if you want. So I'm just going to now turn my oil out, and now I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. This is optional because I'm going to be using it on the skin. I just wanted an antioxidant to further make things more potent. So now I'm just transferring my carrot oil, my now very powerful, potent skin lightening, brightening, acne fading, spot fading. It just has a whole lot of benefits. So yeah, I'm now turning my oil into a storage container, and here is an 100 ml bottle, so I was able to get exactly 100 ml of oil. So I'm just covering that up, and here we have our carrot oil is ready to go on your skin. Also very good for the hair as well. But yeah, this oil, I don't know, it's special. It's just, carrot oil is just so special. And now I'm just adding or putting a label on my bottle because I work with a lot of oils. I have a lot of DIY things, so I have to label them to know which is which, so you don't have to do this step. So yeah, now we have our carrot oil, and this is the best method so far. I'm gonna keep bringing it, that I have found. Once I make my carrot oil this way, I just see a huge difference on my skin. My skin is more glowy, more poppy. So it just means that my carrot oil is a lot more potent than the regular one that I have been doing before. So this right now is the best formula or the best method that I have found to make carrot oil. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe, thumbs up this video, click on the notification bell to make sure that you're notified every single time that I post a video. Please introduce my channel to someone. There's like a wealth of knowledge available on this channel, and yeah, I'll be having more DIYs on this channel, so you can also look up old videos and just, you know, check them out. And thank you so much. As usual, I wish you a perfect skin, and I will see you in my next one.